This is the Australian dollar US dollar. I found this trade setup on the 1 minute time frame. I'm going for just a little bit. Now it looks like a lot of bit. Looks like a long way to go, but this is a 1 minute. It is just after the open of the London session. And because of that, I'm only looking for what in this case it's 7 pips. And the reason for that is because of the stop loss I have down here. 7 pips. Now I took the entry as this candle was forming, was right in here. And this, of course, would be the spread. So we're looking for price to rise up to here. Now the spread was about 2 pips, looking for a 5 pip stop loss. Altogether, that gives me about 7. So that is what the take profit is. And that's okay. I like that because that is underneath this swing low here. So we have a really good chance of getting there. Better chance than if we were targeting, a little bit higher. So that is the trade right now. It's the Australian dollar, US dollar, 1 minute. I will put the video on pause, and as soon as I can start moving my stop loss into profit, or hopefully even break even right away here, I'll be back and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to move my stop loss to just under this swing low right here. We're going to cut the stop loss almost in half. Oh yeah, we'll do it right in half. So the stop loss is 7 pips. I'll move it 3 pips up right now. This is about where this is going to be, just underneath this swing low. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are risking less than what we're going to gain. So no matter what happens, again, you're going to hear me say this over and over. If we lose the trade now, it is going to be less than what the potential profit target is on this one. And I could do that without feeling bad about it. If I take a loss at this point, then it's going to be smaller than the potential gains are going to be. And I'm going to win this way more than half of the time. So it's not an issue at all. Again, I'm going to put the video on pause, and if I can move my stop loss a little bit or move it to break even, which should be ideal, that looks like it'll happen pretty quick here. I'll be back. As I recorded that last little bit, I know that you saw this candle going down. I just wanted to show you what happened. This being the 1 minute time frame, you're going to see this. It is going to happen. It's a difficult time frame to trade really accurately. You've got to be doing it at the right time of day, and it really does help. And once you've got the trend established, then you're going to do really well. All right, I'm going to take this opportunity to move my stop loss to break even. All right, well, we're getting pretty close to getting take profit here. 3727. All right, stop loss is at break even. And you're very rarely going to see me get out of a trade early. I really have learned that you've got to allow these trades to hit your targets. I mean, if you're going for a 1-for-1 or a 2-to-1 ratio or whatever the case is, that only counts if the market hits your target. I mean, we're going to let it hit the stop loss from time to time. We're going to let it hit our profit target from time to time. And the 1-to-1 ratio, it really is only valid if you allow the market to do what you've determined it can do. Now, I don't want to go away yet. I want to don't want to put the video on pause as of right now, because we only have to touch the line as we go upwards, as we're buying. These take profit and stop loss lines only need to be touched by the bid price. So we're right there. Like, we're so close to this. So I don't want to put the video on pause. I guess if we get a little bit of a pullback, I will. But we're so close to getting our profit on this one that I'd like to be here so you can see as it happens. The market is bouncy pretty good. So we only need a couple of pips in the right direction. And we're still well underneath this area of resistance. So there's no reason why we can't hit that. This is going to act as a bit of a magnet, this area. And it's about 2.5 or 3 pips higher than where price is, 3-4 pips maybe. Price is going to want to take this level or get closer to it than it is. So I've got no worries about price hitting this. Oh, there we go. Watch it. Oh, this is exciting for me. I really do enjoy this part of it. I know they say that you're not supposed to let the emotions run rampant, but I do I do like this. I like getting my take profit hit. I don't like getting my stop loss. And that there's nothing wrong with that. Do a little happy dance when you win. Do a little fist shaking when you lose. But don't let it get in the way of the actual trading, the actual signals. Don't let it get in the way of your ability to just keep trading. So do enjoy the victories. You don't have to like the losses. It's all good. Just keep trading. All right, I am going to put the video on pause now. I don't want this to run too long for you because I know this doji might present a little bit of a problem, but I'm not worried about it. It's 1 minute time frame. We've only got 7 pips to move. We're 5 pips there already. We only need 2 more pips, so I'm not worried. Again, there's a level of resistance that price is going to want to be drawn to, so we're going to just let it do its thing here. If we lose on this trade, well, of course, it'd be a shame to let 5 or 6 pips go, but we won't lose anything on it. Just like the trade never happened kind of thing. We'll break even and it'll be all good. So this candle, the one that's forming right now, is the one that's going to take us out of the trade. See, that's confidence. I don't know for sure if that's the one that's going to take us out of the trade or not, but positive mental attitude, really important when you're going to trade. This is a stressful thing, trading Forex market. So you've got to have your wits about you and you've got to be positive. You're going to take those losses from time to time and you got to be positive. You got to be in the right frame of mind or else you'll burn out very quickly. 95% of traders just, they can't do it. And it's part trading system. But if you can't trade a great trading system the way it's supposed to be traded or treated, I would say 80%, maybe even 90% of the traders that do quit, it's because of them. You've got to be committed to doing this. You've got to do it properly. You've got to do it right. You've got to allow your profit targets to get hit. You've got to allow the market just to move. You got to take the signals as you've grown to be confident in them and your take profit levels as you've grown to be confident that they can get hit. All right. So we're getting really close here now. And, here we go. Another little, that's my favorite candle, the one with the flat top. If I'm in a buy trade, that is the thing I like to see the most, is that flat top on the current candle. If I'm in a sell trade, the thing I like to see the most is that flat bottom. This is the most beautiful thing to me in a sell trade. This is the most beautiful kind of top in a buy trade. So we're getting closer. We're inching right up. Up. There we go. We are out in profit, 7 pips. Was that agonizing for you? Wasn't too bad for me. Got the stop loss in the right place. We were at break even, and it was a trade that went really well. It didn't go as fast as a lot of them do, but whatever, it went. And we managed the trade as it went. We managed the trade properly. And this is a 1 minute time frame. I mean, there is money to be made on the 1 minute time frame, and you have seen yet another example of a 1 minute Australian dollar, US dollar long trade. Thank you for watching. Sorry it took such a long time. I did an awful lot of talking, just trying to be here so that this candle took out the take profit. Now the market is free to do whatever it wants to do. I'm going to go back to the charts, take a look. Maybe there's another trade, but I'm not worried about that right now. Market is free to do whatever it wants to. At the moment, I've got my 7 pips. I'm good to go. Take care. I'll see you pretty quick.